Crafting Queen Bee. Crafts, pets, gardening, and how-to.
What does every girl who loves pink need this summer, you might ask? For me, that means a Barbie-inspired backyard. Yes, you heard it right. This is my inspiration, a Barbie backyard. This is the space I'm working with, and you are about to see me turn this space from drab to fab. The first order of business, minus the grass, don't at me about it. I know it needs some work. But first, before we work on the grass, we need a Barbie pool. That is right. We found a backyard above ground pool in Barbie pink, and we are putting it up. This pool was so easy to put together. You literally just had to put the pieces on the top around and then the legs, and it pretty much assembled itself. Really only took me about half an hour, and then all we gotta do is fill her up, and our first piece of the Barbie backyard is ready to go. This cute little pool is only 8 feet wide and 2.5 feet deep, so it's not very big, but just big enough in my opinion. And it filled up within, I would say, around an hour with the hose. And here you go, it's all ready to go. Part 1 of the Barbie backyard is done. And subscribe and stick around for more additions to the Barbie backyard. Part 2 of this series will be coming soon.